we have 52 weeks to plant 52 plants. And this week we're going to focus on the passion flower, also well known for its passion fruits. I'm going to start it right next to our astragalus plants, which we can see are very lovely. They have already sprouted out, which I'm very happy with. I have 2, 4, 6 who already started their journey. I'm really proud of that germination rate, by the way. Anywho, so I just wanted to show us today planting our passion fruit seeds, which have been soaking in water for a few days now. I also clip them at the ends so that hopefully they'll have an easier time germinating. It is a tropical plant, and so it will need some warmth, but luckily our spring has already been very warm here in North Texas, and so I'm happy to say that hopefully they're going to sprout quickly and that they won't have to live on these cells. Anyway, enjoy watching me plant these. If you want to continue to watch the 52 plants, watch us here at Imbo Herbology. And before I forget to mention, these are going to be in about ½ inch into the soil. I'm planting 2 per pod. I'm just putting the butter on top and covering them with soil. And then I'm going to give it a good spritz. Alright, you guys, join us again at Imbo Herbology.